Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day. Yeah, even though yesterday was a bad day, today's another day. So let's see if we can make this a positive day and come home with some ticks. Okay? All right, stand by. just entered this trade. Starting the video late, but we're looking good. I'm going to move to break even +1. See if we can get this to run. See if we can get this to run up to 1825. Okay, I had a power surge, so I'm gonna link this video up to the other video. It should have saved, so I'll just go ahead and dub it in as a continuation video. Okay. So far I'm up 775 across 3 accounts, 775, 772, and this one here. Okay, so. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Call it a trading week, rather. So we finished out. Where's my accounts at? Okay. So we finished out here across 3 accounts. All right. So not bad for the day. This is what it looks like as far as trade performance right here. Alright, so that's it. I actually did pretty good today. You know, and the profit factor at 99.0. I mean, you know, some days you're gonna kill them, and some days you're gonna, some days you're gonna get money taken from you. So that's just how the game goes. All right. So let me render this video. Let me edit it to the other one if I can find it. If not, I'll see you next week. All right. Thanks for hanging out. Talk to you later.